How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over how much I spend in a week as a 23-year-old living in the Washington D.C. suburbs. Let's go. So once we go through all my everyday spending, I'm also going to add in my recurring costs at the end, such as rent and my car payment. Let's get right to it. So we're going to start with Saturday. So on this Saturday, I went and helped my girlfriend out. We took their family dog to a dog trainer. So it was a little bit of a road trip. It was about 2 hours both ways. On the way there, we stopped at Starbucks. I got a venti iced coffee, and then we got 2 pastries. I got a lemon pound cake, and then I think she got a blueberry muffin. And that totaled to be $9.81. After we dropped off the dog, we headed over to POTBELLY to eat lunch. So we both got a sandwich, chips, and a drink, and that totaled out to be $19.14. Once we finally got home, it became dinner time, and we decided to go get pizza. So we ordered a medium pizza with 1 topping, and that was $13.77. So Saturday night, we went to pick out a movie on Amazon Prime Video, and we decided on Knives Out. It actually was a really good movie. I definitely recommend it, and to rent that was $5.99. So on Sunday, we went over to Topgolf and met a couple friends. We got there a little bit early and there was a wait time. So me and my girlfriend sat at the bar and we both got a drink. And then from there, we went on to play for about an hour and a half, an hour 45 minutes. We also ordered food and drinks while we were playing. So that all totaled out to be $88.43 for Topgolf. So for Sunday, I didn't spend any more money. My girlfriend got us dinner. We went out to a pizza place, kind of like Mod Pizza. It's called Gusto. On Monday, I went to WEGMANS and did my weekly shopping trip. So I just bought some stuff for dinner. We made tacos that night. And then I also bought stuff for lunch throughout the whole week. So that is all I spent on Monday. That ended up being $44.63. So Tuesday morning, I had to go get gas, and that came out to be $27.72. I got the gas at Wawa, so it is a little bit cheaper than other gas stations. For lunch that day, I just made food that I got from Wegmans the day before, so I didn't spend anything for lunch. And then for dinner, I did buy Chick-fil-A, and that Chick-fil-A came out to be $7.94. And that brings us to Wednesday. Wednesday, I actually didn't spend any money. I just made my lunch at home, and then for dinner, I had leftovers. So Thursday is the same situation with food. I made lunch and then I went to my parents for dinner. So Thursday, I did buy a hotel for an upcoming trip to San Francisco. So that came out to be $218.30. Now this is for 3 nights, which is a pretty good deal. So the last day, Friday. So Friday morning, I went to a local coffee shop called Caffeine and got a large mocha. That came out to be $4.77. Now, it does kind of pay me to say $4.77 for a cup of coffee. If you go watch my previous video where I talk about how much coffee is actually costing you throughout the year, it's crazy. I could have made a bunch of cups of coffee at home for fractions of the price. And my last purchase that day was lunch for $6.50 at work, and then for dinner, I just had leftovers. So if you add all of that up from that Saturday to the Friday, my total everyday spend was $447. Now we have to factor in my recurring costs. So for me, this includes rent, utilities, and my car payment. So my rent per month is $1,830. And if you divide that by about 4 weeks in the month, it comes out to be $457.50. My car payment per month is $495. So if you divide that by about 4 weeks, that's $123.75. And my utilities are around $150 a month. So if we divide that by 4 weeks, that comes out to be $37.50. So my total recurring charges per week is around $618.75. So if we add my recurring costs to my everyday spend for a week, the total comes out to be $1,065.75. Now this was a bit of an unusual week for me. I did spend more than I usually do. On the weekend, I definitely spent more than I usually do. And then I did also have to buy those hotels for my upcoming trip. So that's it. That is what I, as a 23-year-old living in the Washington, D.C. area, spend in a week. If you guys want more videos like this, or if you want me to do kind of a budget video for a whole month, let me know down below in the comments, and definitely go down and like this video and share it if you enjoyed. Thanks everybody, and have a good one.